Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute clown boxes. So here we're just going to be making our outline to the hole we need. And for this project you're going to need a box. You can either find one, DIY one, or buy one already made. So me and my husband did go over to his dad's house because he has a pile of random wood thrown around that he doesn't need anymore. And we were able to find these cute little boxes. You are going to need to buy an elbow like the one I just showed you. And you're going to need some wire hanger. So you're just going to tear it apart like my husband's doing here and just make it into a swirl, and we are going to be shoving it into the pipe to give it stability to hold our clown head. And we did end up using 2 wire hangers for this project, and you can get those plastic elbows anywhere at a hardware store. We got ours at Home Depot. Okay, once we're done putting in the wire, we're going to go ahead and shove it into our hole that we made. And once you're done with that, you're going to drill 2 holes at the way top of the base of the elbow, which I forgot to record. That way you're able to put in the wire to attach your mask. And we just went ahead and bought 2 clown masks from Walmart in the Halloween section and stuffed it with some of that pillow fiber. And the fiber won't fall out because that's why we're using these wires to hold the mask all together. And this is how they're gonna look when they're all done. And I like this look because it gives them a jack-in-the-box effect, and it does help them move the wire. So in the wind they look like they're shaking around. So now here comes the fun part. We're going to start filling in our boxes. I'm going for a more carnival clown, and my husband's going for a more dark skeleton theme. So my husband's just going to be drilling some holes at the bottom of the hands that you can also get from the Dollar Tree to be able to screw them to the bottom. So now you're just going to drill some holes at the bottom of the box and add some screws to attach the hands. And I didn't get to record this part, but he already stapled his lights to his box. So now he's just going to hang up his clown body with the thumbs of the hands. And he already ripped off the legs that it had. And we had got this clown from Walmart. Now we're just going to be seeing him spray paint his box. And I really like this idea that I came up with because it's very inexpensive, because you can use basically anything you have on hand. And he also used tape to attach his light battery to his box. Now we're just going to be drilling holes at the top of his box to put in the fish wire to go ahead and attach his skeleton heads. And my husband literally finished his box within an hour, and it took me 2 days to finish my box. I was shooketh when he told me he was done. So here, I'm not sure if he drilled the hole or they already came with the hole, but you can get these skeleton heads at Walmart. And he's just shoving in the wire to help it hold up. And now he's just going to paint the last little touches on his box. And here he said he wanted to draw some door to a portal of hell or something. I'm like, honey, that's way too dark for me. Get me out of here. Now he's just finished pinning up the outside of his box. And the heads are holding up really well with that wire and the foam we put inside, so it doesn't make the mask too heavy. And now he's just adding the last clown, and this is how it's looking. It's real creepy if you ask me. So now we're going to go ahead and start my box. I was going for cutesy, creepy carnival clowns. So I'm just going to be painting my box with pink and green stripes. And I got both these paints from the Dollar Tree. I like them because they're super vibrant and bright for the type of theme I was going for. Okay, this is how my box looks once it's done. So while it's drying, I'm going to go ahead and start painting my clown mask, because I did not like the original color that it was. So I just went ahead and finger painted the mouth black and the eyes green and pink. Okay, now that I'm done with that, we're going to go ahead and attach the elbows to the boxes. We're just going to be using some screws to drill it to the box, and be careful so you don't rip the plastic. Now I'm going to be working on my creepy ice cream cone. So I did go ahead and get these party hats from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using some of that fiber. Also, I got from Walmart, and I'm just going to spray paint it orange. And I'm not too worried about covering it completely orange because I'm only going to use the top layer. So once it's dry, I'm going to start filling in my cone. And to secure it in place so it doesn't move, I'm going to use hot glue at the top rim of the cone to help keep the fiber in place. And I'm just going to hot glue the baby head to the top of my cone. And I got this one from Walmart, but I believe Party City also has some. Now that it's all dry and set in place, I'm just going to go ahead and color over some white spot. Oh, I cannot get over how cute this little thing is. So now I'm going to start my next project with this foam. And here my husband wanted to help me, but I didn't let him. And clearly I should have, because I don't know what the heck I was doing, making a mess. So once you spray your area, you're going to let it dry just a tad and then go ahead and start adding any type of things you want to it. This is supposed to be my creepy Halloween popcorn, which I do end up painting purple, but I forgot to show. And here I'm just spray painting some spiders black. On a side note, off topic, have you guys ever seen American Horror Story Freak Show? Oh, me and my husband love rewatching it every time October comes back around. Especially Murder House is really good too, but this show definitely is not for everyone. Now I'm just going to use some fish wire to loop into my holes at the top to hang my little dog that I also got from Walmart. Did anybody else pick these up? They're so cute. Ooh, I'm so excited. Now I'm going to start putting my box in together. Oh, I just cannot get over how cute this is. And this is the box that I did paint, but I forgot to record. So here I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue down the book and my cone to the box. And I just went ahead and hot glued down the battery pack also. And I glued the lights to the back of my walls. And I was going to write a creepy phrase on my popcorn box, but then I completely forgot because we were getting eaten by mosquitoes. They're so huge here. Now we're going to be cutting down this plastic. It's like those candy boxes that people use like around Valentine's Day where they stuff those bears and chocolates inside. I got this from my local craft store, and I thought it was perfect to protect the contents from the rain and stuff. We just measured and cut it down to size, and now we're just going to staple it to our box. Me and my husband always love decorating for Halloween. And we also do Christmas, Thanksgiving, and Easter. Mostly, we don't really do anything else. And now we're just sealing in my husband's box as well. So this project originally started off as just a regular Jack-in-the-Box, but then I was like, oh, I want to make like a little storyline inside of the boxes. And this is what we ended up creating. Oh, I love them. They're so cute. And like I said, this was a super cheap and easy project that anybody can recreate. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit the subscribe button as well as the little notification bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. And thank you guys for watching. And if you're curious about the big clowns behind me, I do have a little shorts on my page about them. Go ahead and check that out.